So hello everybody at Gosfield Community Primary School. Jo here, and I just wanted to say hello. So like you, I'm at home, and I hope that wherever you may be, that you're safe and well. And I cannot wait to see you all when we go back to school. And believe it or not, that this isn't going to last forever. We're all going to be back to school before we know it. So I hope that you are being kind, and we've spoken about the importance of kindness and how kindness is, how much does kindness cost? Free. So I hope that at home we are being kind to our siblings, kind to our parents, and being kind to ourselves. And today what we're going to do is I want you to imagine at one point that you have your blue mat and your eye pillow. So I'd want you to imagine you've got them, because at the end we're going to do a relaxation. So hopefully that might help you. So it's like we're at school, but we're literally at my home. So I have got these guys as well. And just a reminder, and I know that you year sixes will know this, our worries at the moment might be quite muddled. There might be quite a lot of worries going through our head at the moment. And I need you to know that for that amygdala, okay, for that cheeky chimp, that's okay, because at the moment we're in such uncertain times that you've never experienced this before. The adults in your life have never experienced this before. But what I need you to bear in mind is that there's the adults there for you to look after you and to keep you safe. So even though that this is okay for this to be going off, okay, just remember what we've spoken about before, okay, about those affirmations. Do you remember we spoke about the way that we speak to ourselves? So it could be the mantras that we say. So it could be I've got this, or it's time to calm my worries now, or this girl can, this boy can. Because whilst this one's going off, and I bet you can remember the name of this one, the prefrontal cortex, this is the one that we need to look after. Yeah, but I'm sure you can remember this, but this one is scared of this. So when this is making monkey noises and going around our brain, not helping us, and maybe making our tummies churn or feel sick, or headaches, or our shoulders ache, it's important to remember to use our prefrontal cortex to calm ourselves down. And we've done before the peer massage, we've done the breathing, we've done the relaxation. So you guys know what to do, and that breathing is really important. You know, those belly breaths, so breathing in, and as your breath goes in all the way down like an elevator to your tummy, trying to push your tummy out, don't forget, and then as we breathe back out, it's just blowing out those worries, because they don't help us, do they? So I had an idea that maybe you could find somebody at home that you could go and ask and be kind to, and use them to do peer massage, because I certainly know how much the year sixes love it. So let me see. So this is around 4 minutes, okay? So at least if you pause, it will come back to it. It's about 4 minutes. And what Jojo's going to do is she's going to talk to you as if we were at school in the hall, sitting on our mats, having somebody in front of you, okay? So you might want to repeat this twice, purely because you might want to do it to them as well as them do it to you. So as you sit there, what do you have to do first? Can you remember what you have to do first? You have to ask permission. So just ask that person in front of you permission. Maybe show them how to do it. So maybe give them the massage first. So just lean forward and ask them nicely, can I give you a peer massage? Putting your fingers on their shoulders nice and gently. Breathe in, breathe out, Breathe in and breathe out. And what I want us to think about is I want us to think about worries. And I want us to remember that we need to believe in ourselves. So what I'd like you to do is walking your hands on their shoulders is just to say that we all have worries. We all have worries. That palm of your hand sweeping down their back. And it's okay to have worries. Hands on their head nice and gently. Nice and fingers. Don't hurt them, just nice and gentle like rain. But it's good to talk about our worries. From your head, down their neck, to their shoulders. Talking about our worries helps us. And going with one hand, whichever hand you want, but one hand, draw nice big circles and say, talking helps calm me down. And then fingers back on their shoulders. 3 deep breaths. In, out, in, out. That last one, in, hold it, and let all your worries, push them out. And then that person who's just had the massage can just roll their shoulders. And then what you can do is you can swap over and you can rewind this back. Would it be that way? Rewind. And to them, or they can do it to you. Because I know my year 6s absolutely love that. So it's like we're at school. So yeah. So next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to finish off with a relaxation for you. Okay, so imagine you've got your mats. Imagine you've got your eye pillows. And what you might want to do is you might want to lie down. You might want to be in your bedroom. You might want to lay on your bed. You might want to grab, it could be even a sock that you could just have over your eyes. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about the wishing fish. So close your eyes, be very still, and imagine you are lying by a riverbank. The sun is setting over the river and the sky is filled with pinks and oranges. The water is shimmering like 1,000 tiny lights. Everything around you is so still. You feel very calm and peaceful. As you breathe in, enjoy this deep feeling of peace moving through your entire body. Feel your chest and tummy becoming still. Feel your arms and your legs becoming still. You are completely still as you sit peacefully by the riverbank. All of a sudden, an enormous, multicoloured, beautiful fish jumps out of the water and speaks to you. It says, "I am a wishing fish. What do you wish for?" And you can tell the fish your wish. You may wish for whatever you like. Maybe you would like to be a king in a castle, or a wizard with magic powers, or maybe you would like to fly. As soon as you've made your wish, he replies, "Your wish is granted." And off he jumps back into the shimmering river. Be very still and enjoy your wish. Imagine how you'd feel. Sit peacefully by the riverbank, dreaming about how wonderful your life would be if this wish came true. And now, when you're ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, have a big stretch. Open your eyes and say, I am peaceful. I am peaceful. And that's when you'd all come off your mats, you'd all be like tired, you'd all have sleepy eyes. So, as you can tell by the background noise, I'm at home just like you. So, when you watch this, I want you to remember the importance of being kind, the importance of being calm and staying calm. And if you're worrying if that chimp's going off, just remind yourself that this isn't going to last like this forever. Okay, we're going to be back to school before we know it, and I'll be with you doing a flourish session before you know it. And I'll be doing my high fives, which were right at the end, they were elbows. Do you remember? And I was doing that. So yeah, I will see you when we're back to school, and until then, just stay being you, stay being awesome, and stay being kind. Bye guys. Bye.